Steak and beans. Some would say a waste of a good steak, but I say cutting up the steak and frying it in a pan and then adding the beans is a wonderful way to make a good meal without needing a grill. All in one pan. Let's start with steak. A special piece of New York strip loin. A nice tender cut. This is a meal for one, so let's cut it in half, about 6 ounces. Trim off the big fatty parts. Some people like the fat, but I don't. Cut that into cubes. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. We're going to add red pepper, or green if you prefer. Cut that into pieces. Some oil into the pan, and in the pepper goes. Going to add some onion. Cut up half an onion. Into the pan. 1 small dried chili pepper or chili flakes for heat. Cut that up and into the pan. Get those all frying for a minute. Add the steak. Sear the steak on all sides for about 2 minutes. Cut up some cherry tomatoes into quarters. That's getting nice and hot. Another 2 minutes. Add the tomatoes to the steak. Add the beans. Let them heat and coat the steak so it picks up that sweet bean sauce flavor. Serve. Green onion garnish adds color and flavor. That's it.
So there you have it. Steak and beans in a pan.